The dumbbell upright row is an exercise for developing the traps muscles as well as the deltoids in your shoulders. For this exercise, you'll need 2 hand weights or dumbbells. Begin standing with the hand weights or dumbbells in both hands, and stand with a nice tall posture, with your chest pushed forward, your shoulders down and back, and your eyes forward. Take a soft bend in your knees. To begin the exercise, actively press your shoulders down and back as you lift your hands up to the level of your shoulders, with your elbows flaring out to the sides, and then come back down to the starting position. As you do this exercise, you should feel the muscles engaging in your traps in the back of your shoulders, as well as in your lateral deltoids in the side of your shoulders. Up and back down is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program.